Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful Yamaha RD 250 from 1973. It's a rare bike. It's the twin leading shoe, a variation of the RD 250. It's been owned by one of our good customers here for the last 10 years, and it's had a huge amount of work. I have a piece of paper here that I'm going to run through with it. It's been mostly used for kind of spins on the weekend, 100 to 150 kilometers. Reliable bike now at this stage. I'm just going to quickly get into this piece of paper here in terms of the engine work that has been done. So we've had a huge amount of work done in the last 2 years. All the engine work has been done about 1,500 miles ago. The tank has been derusted and reconditioned. The new front tire as well on it, which you can see here. It's had a new chain and sprocket at the rear here as well. It's had new front fork oil seals, new air filter, new spark plugs, HT cable and coils, condenser points done on it. It's had the carbs reconditioned. It's had the Y boot also, new Y boot put on it, as you can see here, nice and soft. The engine has had an auto lube pump and jelly reconditioned, crank totally overhauled. It's had a huge, keep on going, a huge amount of work here. Big and small end on it. Reboard to factory spec. It's had also two new original factory Yamaha pistons and rings, and new oil seals throughout as well. It's been done by PJME in the UK as well for that to get done. So I have the list here, which will be better than even maybe I can call it out. But a huge amount of work done to it. Like I said, owned by the last owner for the last same owner for the last 10 years, and really beautiful bike. We'll start from the front then on condition wise. It's probably pretty good original condition, but not a minter by any stretch of the imagination, although the front spoked wheels are really nice on it. Front chrome is good, front headlamp assembly and indicators are good, clocks are nice and clear, no yellowing up over the top, nice mirrors on it. The tank itself has a few little marks on it. It's got a larger front little dent and mark on it here. Engine's actually in nice condition. We have the exhaust as well, which has the bit of battery corrosion unfortunately at the rear here. Side panels, seat as well, no rips or tears. ZV plate, rear tire, again the same with the issue on the right hand side as the left hand side on the exhaust here. Pillion pegs, side panel here is good with oil level. There's the carbs in there. Brake or gear shift here on this left hand side is good with the rubber as well, nice. Tank up here has a little bit of a mark under the Yamaha badge. Other than that, pretty nice, looks pretty good in the sun here. Fuel cap good. The switch gear is nice and clear as well in terms of the lettering. So overall, really nice bike and a huge amount of work done to it. So let's go for a spin. Okay, we're on the RD 250. Had a bit of a mess. Someone pulled out in front of me there, so going to go out and have a look on this RD 250. It's had all the work done to it I could ever want, as you heard in the visual inspection. We're going to go around the block and test it. Power's coming in really nicely. Have to be quite gentle with that front brake. It does grab surprisingly hard. You need a bit of speed maybe on those twin leading shoes. Should be a little bit careful, don't go. I've been on the modern bikes now, in fairness, today, some of them, or even the older bikes where you have to basically pull the lever into your own body. Oh yeah, This feels really nice. Engine feels nice and free. Those brakes are actually surprisingly very good at the front. I'd say in its day was had quite the stopping power. Yeah, it's really quite nice. I don't want to be getting the looks here and revving it out too much, because particularly on the 2-strokes, I find that if you do anything over about 10 kilometers an hour in a state like this, they start to call the police and come out with pitchforks to put you off the bike. There's something about being a biker, though, I think people will understand this, is you put the helmet on and then all of a sudden, you know, a lot of the times you're not even human. They look at you a different way, and they nearly want to kill you for making noise. But anyway, that's for a story for another day. And this bike, on the other hand, has been glorious to ride. Oh, I'm in neutral, sorry. Really nice raspy sound from the exhaust. Let this lady across with her dog. Nice little last bit of how would you call it, revving on the bike there. So anyway, horn working. We'll go through the electrics here now as well. Idling is very nice there. It's gone through all of the revs pretty well. Front left indicator working here, rear left indicator working, rear right indicator working, front right indicator working. And if I had turn on the headlights now, which one is on? And we have it looks like some sort of an LED that's been fitted in there. Very nice, which is good, because the bulbs back then were pretty shocking. So that's been it for this lovely Yamaha RD 250 1973, with all the work you could possibly want. Mechanically absolutely perfect, ready to rock, original paint, everything like that. So if you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe if you have enjoyed. And if you want to reach out about this bike, please do get on to us at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.